shit I used to roll down Lewis Street with. Lord, know some hoes from the past like, damn, Cole, wish I knew that you would be rich. Well, funny how these niggas on some real be cool with me shit. I bag two bitches like it's two of me, bitch. This is shit I used to roll down Lewis Street with. Finally got my own bedroom in it, bitch. No more sleeping in my brother room. Like, man, I might as well be sleeping in my mother room. Cause hoes with my bro here. Plus she gon' find out I've been rocking all this old gear. This is flow here, this is no fear. This is so pure, this is so clear. This is one breath, this is no air. Ain't no better than I do the most here. I'm the president, you the coach here. You the player, yeah, I'm the coach here. Nigga, I coast here. This weather got me set up on this west coast shit. Avoiding the snakes, AKs, and coke, yeah. Get my dick wet, but I never let it soak there. Country boy in the city of New York, 9 years, ran that shit like Diddy. Riding through Southside Queens like 50. Nothing's impossible, and all you lame niggas show me what not to do. I met a real bad bitch in the club tonight. She told me watch the snakes, cause they watching you.